Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript error handling. Error handling in TypeScript involves using try-catch blocks to gracefully handle exceptions that may occur during the execution of a program. First one is try-catch block. I am going to show you the code using try-catch. This was the syntax of try-catch. Let result number equal to 10 divided by 0. In case if we got any error, console log. Now if I run this, see I am getting infinite. Like this we can use try catch block. Next we can see about rethrowing errors. For that, try catch. Let value string equal to hello. In case any error, we can console log message. If I save this and if I run, in case any mistake, then the catch will work and we will get an error. Next we can see about finally block. For that try catch, in case any error we can console log and then finally console log. This block will always execute. If I run this, see we are getting infinite and this block will always execute. Like this the finally will work. Next we can see about custom error handling. For that I'm going to use class custom error extends error constructor message string. Super message this dot name custom error. Next I'm going to use try catch. Here I will throw new custom error. Inside that this is custom error. Inside catch error, if error instance of custom error, then I want to console log custom error occurred error dot message else console log and error occurred. Now if I run this, see I am getting an error occurred. This is an error message. In this error handling in Java, TypeScript allows you to gracefully handle execution that may occur during the execution of a program using a try-catch block. You can catch and handle errors, rethrow error, and execute cleanup code in a finally block. Custom error classes can also be used to create and handle custom errors. Thank you.